So the Bible is full of stories in which it is related prophets sinning and lying. How can we prove that prophets are honest and do not sin?
The Bible is not a reliable book where the Bible is against the verdict of the Quran. So there you must realize that some men must have interpolated in the Bible, and for some reason they wanted to present the prophets as sinful, and this was in fact a natural phenomenon. They wanted support for their own sins. So if you would say, look here, he is doing this as big as that, we are ordinary people, why shouldn't we follow? So this is only an excuse of the heart for committing sins, and this part of the Bible is definitely wrong.